This is a Belgian Coticule Sharpening stone. It is a natural combination stone with Belgian blue backing. It is lapped and chamfered on both sides. It is 5 1/16 of an inch long by 1 7/32 of an inch wide by 17/32 of an inch thick, complete overall thickness. The cuticle itself is about 1/8 of an inch thick, dead center on one side, and maybe a bit over 1/16 of an inch where it's pure yellow on this side. But I'm sure it thickens a bit as it's traveling across. And during lapping, one corner had to be rolled because it had a nasty chip. On the very corner where the roll is the deepest, it's 7/16 of an inch thick. And in order to delete a chip that would have interfered with honing, the chamfer on this side, as you can see, had to be widened in a tapered manner because I wanted to preserve stone. So very, if it would ever focus, very pure surface on this stone. Really nice material. Zoom out. Nice stuff. It's just small. Anyway, Belgian Coticule natural combo. Don't really have much to add here.